You are.
I don't think why.
You think you're something special? Pakistan. I'll tell you what.
Yeah.
No wonder the Indians are bombing you.
Yeah, that's fine, sir.
Yeah, exactly. You're never going to win that battle.
No problem, sir.
Give me dollars. Fuck off.
Yeah, that's fine, yeah.
And this is England, by the way.
I know. I will put this on Facebook.
By the way,
I will
this
put this
is
on,
England.
Yeah, I will put
and
this on
you're
Facebook,
in a
yeah.
fucking job
Yes.
in England.
That's it. That's
And
it.
so respect this country
Yeah.
that you're in.
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, I will put this on Facebook, sir. Don't worry. And more people will see you. What you're saying, because people can see your face as well. So you know you very soon, because
Fuck, man.
yeah, don't worry, sir.
Do you really think I give
Yeah.
a flying fuck?
Yeah, don't worry, sir. Don't worry.
Listen.
I don't need to listen, sir. We're done here.
Yeah,
Thank you very much.
thank you,
Otherwise, I'm
sir.
going to start charging yourself a bed time.
Yeah,
It's 25 p.m. minutes is here.
I'll tell you what.
Thank you very much. We're all done here. Thank you very much, sir.
Do you
It's 25
think
p.m. minutes.
Pakistan are
Yeah,
gonna
25
beat
p.m. minutes,
English?
sir. Yeah, go on,
Do you
sir.
think your
Thank
company going to beat our company?
Thank you, sir. Go on. We're not here for competition, sir.
Well, I'll tell you what about wars.
We're not here for competition.
Wars
sir.
will blow you out the fucking water.
Okay, don't worry.
Fuck off. Fucking Muslim cunts.